Okay, welcome. We are going to be looking at finding when we are looking for the first term and the common difference that will result to in an AP that will result to simultaneous linear equation. So remember that we in our previous video we said that the nth term of any AP is a plus bracket n minus 1 d, where a is the first term, where n is the number of terms, then where d is the common difference. So let's go to the number one question there. In an AP, the 10th term, so T10, talking about this formula, so T10 is A plus bracket, our N is 10, that is 10 minus 1D. Was the 10th term given to us? Yes. In an AP, the 10th term is 68. So we come to this place and replace it with 68 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times D is 9D. Let's call this one equation 1. Y is fourth term. So T4 is equal to A plus our N9 is 4. So I have 4 minus 1D. Was the fourth term given to us? It was given to us as 26. So I'll replace this T4 with 26 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times D is 3D, equation 2. So I love solving it by bringing the bigger one on top. So let's bring it closer. We have equation 1 as 68 is equal to A plus 9D. And we have equation 2 as 26 is equal to A plus 3D. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to subtract. Let us subtract. 68 minus 26. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Is equal to A minus A is 0. 9D minus 3D is 6D. So how do we get our D? We have to divide both sides by 6. So 42 divided by 6 is going to give us, I think it's going to give us something like 7. Yes. So D is equal to 7. Once you get the common difference, you can use any of the equation to get the first term. So let's use equation 1. Substitute D is equal to 7 in equation 2. Let's use equation 2. Equation 2 we have 26 is equal to A plus 3D. So 26 is equal to A plus 3 times the common difference we got here is 7 times 7. 26 is equal to A plus 3 times 7 is 21. You collect like terms. 26 minus 21 is equal to A. 26 minus 21 is 5. Therefore, our first term is 5, while our common difference is 7. And with this, we are done with the number one question. So you have to be very careful what you do. Once you get it, you replace it. That is how to get the first term. Let's go to number 2. We have the fourth term, T4. Let's define T4 first. So we have A plus bracket 4 minus 1D. Still using this formula, the nth term formula. So was the fourth term given to us? Yes, as 37. So I'll come to this place and replace it with 37 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times D is 3D. Let's call this one equation 1. So we are going to call it equation 1. Okay, let's continue. And the sixth term is 12 more than the fourth term. So the sixth term, T6, is equal to A plus, so our N9 is 6 minus 1D. So we are told something that the sixth term is 12 more than the fourth term. First of all, let's deal with this first. So T6 is equal to A plus 5D, because 6 minus 1 is 5 times D. So, but we are told something that this system, which is A plus 5D, is means equal to is 12 more than the fourth term. That is 12 plus the fourth term is, you can see we have 12 plus 37. So I have 12 plus 37 here. So you can see that the fourth term has been given as 37. So let's continue. So we have a plus 5d is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is equation 2. Let's bring equation 1 closer here. So I want this one to be on the left hand side. So let me put it here. So I have a plus 3d is equal to 37. I want this a plus 3d to be on the same side with this. And I want this number to be on the same side with the other one here. So let's call this one equation 1. We'll subtract. A minus a is 0. 5d minus 3d is 2d is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 12. Divide both sides by 2. Our common difference, 12 divided by 2, will give us 6. So the next step is to get the first term. The first term is, well, we are going to use any of these equations. So let's use equation 1. Equation 1 is this. Anywhere we see d, we replace it with 6. So we have 3 times 6 is equal to 37. Our a plus 3 times 6 is 18 is equal to 37. Our first term a is equal to 37 minus 18. So our a should give us 19. So we are going to get 19 as the first term. So we have gotten the common difference as 6. We have gotten the first term as 19. We are told to find the seventh term. Let me divide this. The seventh term, that is T7, is equal to, still using this formula here. So our a now is 19. 19 plus brackets, our n is 7. 7 minus 1 times, our common difference is 6 times 6. So I have 19 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 times 6. 19 plus 6 times 6 is 36. So 36, 19 plus 36 will give us 55. So our seventh term is 55. And that is the final answer. So at this point, we have been able to get our common difference, the first term and the seventh term. So in our next video, we are going to treat the sum of AP and how to use the formula to solve it. And also, we are going to discuss how to find the nth term of any AP. That is, when you are told to find the formula, we have what is called finding the nth formula. So see you in the next video.